Hi guys, welcome to Technical Trading Learner, and now the Monday again the market resumed, and let's place our trades. And one more thing guys, from today this is my first video. Actually this is my first video and the market is not good enough, but also I'm trading because I thought to make two videos. This is my first video of a day of this day, okay. Because I thought to make a concept on trend lines, okay. This has a trend. I thought to make a concept on trend lines, and that so I thought to make the concept one video on based on trend lines, uh, along with that a video based on how to trade continuous candles, okay. These trend lines video will be a basic for you, and one must know basics very well, okay. Basics are most important for us, and if you are strong in basics, then you will going to have a good foundation. You will going to have a good strength in the future coming, okay. When you come to trade, you're going to have a good future and good strength in the base, so you're going to have a good profits also. So I thought to make videos on basics like a support and resistance, and I already done the series of support and resistance. So now I'm going to make a trend lines. It will help you guys. I hope you will watch. And this is my first trade. I hope you will watch, guys, okay. Don't neglect, okay, because even though the concept is new to you, sorry, even though the concept is old to you, I may include some I may include some new topics. It may help you, okay. I hope you will watch. I took your call option. Anyhow, we won this. So I'm telling that please don't neglect to watch the video completely, okay. I'm explaining each and everything. I don't know whether you are watching or not, because I'm each and every trade I'm explaining. But if you don't watch it, and it is waste to it's waste to explain. So I'm telling you that please watch the video completely, and even watch the series, okay. I'm stressing you and again telling that please be strong in basics are very important, guys. Support and resistance, or it may be the trend lines, it may be, okay. Basics are very important, so hope you will going to be watch it also. And okay, I took your put option. We won this too. Okay guys, as I'm telling, uh, it is better, and it's more, it is best to be strong in basics, okay. I hope you will watch it. And if you have any doubts in any concepts, okay, you can ask me, okay. I will going to make a video on that. And if you have any doubts, you can contact me. I will going to explain you. I won't charge anything. And okay, it's likely to become doji. Okay guys, again I took your put option. It's become doji, guys. Okay, sellers entered, again the buyers. Let's see what will happen. So okay, buyers entered. Still we have 20 seconds more. Okay, It is bet I think I can place the next trade also, but it is better to change the currency. Why? Because we got two dojis. Okay, it is better to change the currency pair. Hope you understand why I'm changing the currency pair. Okay, we are getting only USD. Let's check this too. But the seller center is better to change, guys. Euro JPY now we are trading. Let's check GBP USD. Okay, let's. It's not good. Let's see. No. GBP USD. We already checked it. Okay, I took care put option, guys. I hope it become a late entry, but no problem. We'll hope for a red candle, guys. This is my fifth trade. This is my fifth trade. Okay, anyhow, we are in profit. Okay, sellers entered market, and it is better to have some marginal safety, guys. I took here put option because here there are buyers. Okay, here there are buyers, so we can expect the red candle up to this level. Okay, buyers entered. I took here put option, and I will tell you a reason why I took here put option. And this will be my last trade, guys. This will be my last trade. I lost this trade because I thought it may continue, but it didn't. It followed a green red pattern. This is my first trade, and I took here a put option because it's a very strong candle. If you observe, it's a very strong candle. We can see here there is a level. A strong candle at a level, it may reverse it may reverse the market. Okay, so I took on the basis of this point, and this is my second trade, and I found the weak sellers. It's a level. I found a weak sellers, so I took here a call option, and it became a doji, guys. I took here my trade because put because I found a weak bias. Everyone like this. I found weak bias, so I took here put option, and this again because I got a doji here. Okay, and they are weak bias doji, but sellers, buyers didn't continue the market. The sellers are very strong, and it's a downtrend. Okay, compared to this candle, the sellers are very strong. So I took here a put option, but it became doji. And here there is a level. Here there is a level, and it's a green candle. So I took here a put option, and this is the first. This is the same point as my first trade. And this I didn't observe the green red pattern. I thought it may continue up to this. Otherwise, I would go for a call option. And here it become a doji, but anyhow I had a marginal safety, guys, and the next candle may become a green candle. So okay, these are all my trades. One lost 4 wins and 2 dojis. Have a good day, guys. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. Okay, I will come up with. Okay, guys. These are all my trades. Hope. Let me wait. Okay, guys. I took here 7 trades actually. I took here 7 trades. You can see the market is not enough good. I took continuous trades. Okay, I took continuous trades and I won 4, 1 lost, and 2 ATMs. It is better to avoid the market. I will going to resume the my trading, and I will going to make at least a 10 continuous trades in when the market is good at today evening, like that, as a at a time of 6:30 to 7 Indian Standard Time. Okay, I will going to make a new video on trading the continuous candles, and this is all of now for this video. Okay, the market is not enough good. Okay, so I did this loss. I am giving explanation about. I didn't observe the green red pattern. If I would observe, I could go with the green red and green red. I could go with the collar, sorry, buy. But I thought that it may, see here, the sellers, sorry, the buyers are here. It may become a red candle. It may reach up to this level, and because it's a downtrend. If I observe the green red green, I took for green. Okay, and it's okay, guys, and it's all about today's trade. So hope you enjoyed it, and these are all my trades. Okay, these are all my trades, and I will come up with a new video. We got only 1 loss now. Its market is also not good. So okay, guys, have a nice day. Okay.